industrial installation trainer. This is the video demonstration of industrial installation trainer and all the components that we come across in industry. Various industry we are going to study in this trainer. For example, 4-pole 10 ampere MCB. It has got a manual start, manual stop button. There are colorful indicators which shows the presence of 3-phase supply. Again, we have used contactors here. Contactors are electromagnetic devices to handle bigger loads. The next one is overload relay panel. Here we have got. And finally, we have got a single phase MCB isolator or grounding and protection panel. Some experiments are based on this. That is grounding protection. 3-port 7-way switch panel. So there is 7-way. 1, 2, 3 like that. After that, we have got a push button panel. These are all push button panels, and we have got an illuminated push button. Just give 230 volt AC here. For example, I'll give it. And we have got a mushroom switch. This is the mushroom switch, and just release it in this way. Push it and release it in this way. Finally, we have got a proximity cum limit switch panel. We have got a proximity sensor 1, proximity sensor 2, and this is the limit switch. Alarm annunciator panel. So wherever there will be a fault, this panel is located in control rooms actually, and will be used by plant operators to locate process fault and rectify them quickly. The next one is a power supply panel. That is, you will get around 24 volt DC here and here. There is a dual timer panel. You can set the timing to process. For example, up to 10 milliseconds is here. This also 10 milliseconds is here. You can set the timing. The next one is a relay panel. We have used here relays. It operates on 24 volt DC. Normally open, normally closed on all contacts we have taken here. We also have got a lamp load panel EMT7. Again, lamp loads panel EMT7. And this is one simple circuit door opener panel. 24 volt DC is given here, and you can make it on and off. For example, I will take 2 patch cords and I'll make it on. And this is one experiment, 4-pole 3-way on-off switch panel. AC voltmeter and AC ammeter panel, and this is 3-phase bidirectional power cum energy meter panel. All the electrical parameters like voltage, current, power factor, after that energy, all this you can observe it here. Okay, the 3-phase you have to keep it here with respect to this one neutral, and all the electrical parameters can be observed on this EMT31 panel. One simple experiment I want to do, I wish to show you, that is proximity cum limit switch panel EMT31. So I'll take 2 patch cords, I'll give 24 volt DC and ground here, and this is the output. We'll check all these two sensors, proximity sensor 1 and proximity sensor 2.
Pause. No start.
So one simple experiment of this IIT trainer, I am going to demonstrate study of limit switch, proximity switch. This is given on page number 323.3.8, and here we have got the wiring schedule on the next page. So this is the for limit switch, we have got for proximity inductive and proximity photosensor. All these things are given here, and this is a block diagram. I have done the wiring connection like this, you see, using EMT16D. This 24 volt DC is given here, ground is given here, and the output I have connected through relay. If I put my hand like this, correct? This is your proximity photosensor working. And if you want to know proximity inductive, then you just put it onto the top. This one. And I have got a metal like this thing. Oh my God, it's getting open. It's getting open. Just see. Just see. That's it. And finally, I have got one more experiment. I am giving, this is door opener panel. I am giving 24 volt DC here and ground. So this is the SMPS panel. The SMPS output is 24 volt DC, as you know, and this one. And if I make it, and if I make it to the reverse position, so this door will get open, and if I put it to this left position, the door will get closed. This is a very simple experiment. In this way, we have completed IIT trainer, industrial installation trainer. Thank you very much.